Hello, hello. How are you? Well, today we are gonna classify life. We are gonna learn how scientists classify life in order to study, group, and name different organisms, different living things. There are many groups to classify organisms. Many of them. The groups at the top, they have many or much more organisms, but fewer similar characteristics, fewer common things. On the other hand, groups at the bottom, they have less organisms, but much more similar characteristics. The biggest group an organism can be grouped is a kingdom. Each kingdom is further classified in different smaller groups. Alright, these groups are based on the features of the animals and also how closely they are related to each other. Today we are gonna talk about there are 5 kingdoms in nature: the animal kingdom, the plants, the protist, fungal, and bacteria. Today we are gonna talk about the animal kingdom. The animal kingdom is very diverse, but all animals have something in common, some characteristics. One of them is that all animals, we all are multicellular, which means our bodies are made out of lots, billions and billions of cells. We are not only one big cell. We are made out of thousands of billions of cells. And the other characteristic is that animals do not make their own food. We cannot make our food. We need to eat. As you remember, plants, they can make their own food using sunlight. But we are not plants. We are animals. Alright, now we can make 2 big groups of animals: vertebrates and invertebrates. The main difference is that the vertebrates have a backbone to support their body. If you remember, these little bones that are in our backbone are called vertebrae. That's why we are called vertebrates. Those who don't have backbone are called invertebrates. They don't have bones inside their body. But let's have a closer look to them. Vertebrates, as we said, we have a backbone. We also have a skeleton inside our bodies. And most of vertebrates, they have torso and limbs like arms, fins, wings, legs. Now, what about the invertebrates? Well, invertebrates, as we said, they don't have a backbone, but some of them have a shell, like oysters or snails, to protect themselves. Some invertebrates, they have a exoskeleton. It's like our skeleton, but it's outside their body. It's like an armor. And there are others that don't have any protection. They have a soft body, as we could say. So, To sum up, the nature is divided between living things and non-living things. Living things are divided in 5 kingdoms. The kingdom that we want to study is the animal kingdom, and the animals we are divided between vertebrates and invertebrates. Alright, we stop here today. I hope you had fun. Bye bye!